Alright, you guys, today is the starting of my first video. Yeah, so hopefully my channel does well, with the help of you guys. I will be doing unboxings of all different types of cards, mostly Magic, and I will be doing some sports cards, and maybe some stuff along the way that I find or whatever. That seems cool. And I also am a big collectible person, so I'll be showing you some collectibles. And I did order this guy's San Diego Comic-Con exclusive axe, so hopefully I'll be able to do a review video on that. And yeah, so today we're gonna open one of these packs, and I'm thinking we should do Jace. Actually, let's do one of these today. And then we'll be doing Score 2014 football card packs. Review videos too, and we also will be doing the rest of these. Today we're just going to start out with this one. For my first video, first I just want to say thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos. And if you guys want to help me out with stuff to open on this channel, just email me. I will have the email in my description. If you guys got collectibles or packs or anything that you guys want me to open, I'll open it on my videos if you guys send it to me. It would really help me out too to start. But alright, let's get started. So we got this Magic 2015 Corset pack. I thought I taped some other pack openings because I thought I was gonna get this channel started, but I don't think we'll be putting those on. But I pulled two Garruk Apex Predators. So hopefully we get something good. Start out with some commons. Hammerhand. Let's get these 1-manas over. Wow! 3 1-mana spells in a row, and then a 2-mana spell. What do we got here? We got 2. Put these right here. 2. That's 2. Another 2. And uncommons, we got a 2. Got a 3. Nessa's Expedition. And then our rare Scuttling Doom Engine. I think that's good. I haven't really been looking at the prices for M15 that much, but I think we might have gotten a foil. Nope, we didn't. So yeah, that's our rare, you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and all that good stuff for more videos. Thank you for watching my first video. I hope this goes far, and have a nice day, night, or afternoon.